Hi, my name is Sadie Oren, and I own Sadie Gourmet Personal Chef Services here in Arizona, and I graduated Arizona Culinary in 2023, and I had such an amazing experience. Everyone here not only taught me to be a personal chef, but helped me start my business and become successful because they really
Hi, my name is Taurus Massey. I graduated from ACI about 3 years ago. What this school has done for me is gave me the confidence and skills to go into any restaurant in the country. I learned a lot from being here. I started my